Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a closet clean out, declutter for you guys. I need to get rid of some of these clothes, some of this stuff I've had probably since like middle school, and that's just not okay. I am now 24 years old, just graduated college. I really want to revamp my wardrobe, really get things that I love, staple pieces, good quality pieces, and yeah, this just isn't going to work out anymore. So if you guys want to see me declutter my closet, definitely stay tuned. If you guys like these kind of videos, getting rid of stuff, purging, then definitely thumbs up this video to let me know. If you guys have any other requests for videos that you would like to see on my channel, definitely let me know by commenting down below as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Also, be a part of that notification squad by hitting that little bell, because it will notify you every time I upload, which is every Tuesday and Saturday here on my channel. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I'm just going to go ahead and speed through this. I will do some voiceover for you guys, but yeah, I'm just going to go ahead, watch some TV, and declutter my closet. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alrighty guys, so getting started, I just went ahead and started from left to right. I started on my clothes that were on my little clothing, hanger rack part. I did have some bags over here. One of these bags were actually broken. Like, I don't know why I still had it in my closet. I haven't used some of these bags literally since high school. Some of these were like my high school book bags slash, purses. So I just really needed to purge them, get rid of them. I was just holding on to a lot of these things for sentimental value, and although I did keep a few of sentimental value, I really just needed to get rid of them because they were just taking up space, and I can use that space to putting new pieces that I'm really going to love and everything like that. So as you guys can see here, like I said, I had this purse in high school. I used to put my binders in it. I really liked having big purses in high school instead of like carrying an actual backpack per se. So I had a lot of those in my closet that just needed to go because I don't carry purses like that anymore. So what is the sense of keeping them around? I'm much more into like shoulder bags and smaller bags now. That one I used to use as an overnight bag when I would stay at my friends' houses, and it was literally hot pink and zebra. I got that from Wet Seal years ago, and Wet Seal I don't even think is a store anymore, so I definitely did not need that. I had the cute little backpacks and stuff that I just knew that I would personally not use again, and I just needed to get rid of. So this was like the perfect leeway into me getting rid of clothes. Getting rid of these bags was really easy. It was just, light, nothing too, serious just yet, but there was a lot of clothes that I just knew I had to get rid of. Like, I had cards and stuff that I didn't even know where I got them from. Like, that's how long I haven't used these bags that were hanging there. Crossbody bags I didn't get rid of because I can always use a crossbody bag, especially for like nights out, more fancy events that I have. It's just always good to have like a good black and brown crossbody bag. I also am doing this because I want to start doing more outfit of the day post and more fashion post, not only on my Instagram but here on my YouTube channel. And a lot of these clothes I don't even know where I got them, and I want to be able to link pieces for you guys so that you're able to buy them, and I'm not just like, oh, I got this 5 years ago at Forever 21. I definitely don't think they have it anymore. So I also just wanted to up my style and everything like that. So I did keep a lot of pieces that I know personally I would wear day to day, but I also was thinking in terms of, am I really going to wear this again day to day or even for Instagram? So I did just purge my closet. It was really a great experience. It makes me feel so much lighter. There's so much more room for activities in my closet. But like I said, a lot of these things like I have not worn since high school or middle school, and that has been like a good 10 years now. So I knew it was time to get rid of things. But classic pieces like maxi dresses and skirts and stuff like that I did keep. But like bodycon dresses that were, you know, bodycon when I was 15 are not the same bodycon dresses I would wear now. You know what I mean? So I do have a lot of like cardigans and stuff, and doing this also really helped me see what pieces I do need, just like classic pieces. Like I need a black denim jacket. I need a like not oversized denim jacket, just like a jacket that, you know, a nice denim jacket that fits kind of snug. I purged a lot of my sweaters. Here I'm just going through like my jean skirts and my jean shorts and just shorts from the summer. I did purge a lot of these at the beginning of the summer because a lot of them did not fit. So I did get rid of a lot of those. I skipped my jeans for right now because I was doing my sweaters. I had a phase of where like I only wore like oversized sweaters, and that's just not my style anymore. I do like my sweaters to be a little bit more form-fitting and a little bit nicer. So I did get rid of a few sweaters that were just like completely like way too oversized. So yeah, I have some that are nice and form-fitting but not super tight, if that makes sense. So I kept a lot of my sweaters. I only got rid of a few of those. Here I'm just going through my jeans. I did purge a lot of my jeans last fall, just because a lot of them had like severe rips in them. I do have one pair of jeans that I love so much that are pretty ripped up, but I just personally liked ripped jeans. I feel like it adds a lot of texture to jeans. But I do have one solid black pair, one kind of slightly ripped black pair, and then I have a light distressed pair and the pair that's like really ripped. So I do want to get like just like a nice denim pair of jeans, just like a classic denim. So let me know what your favorite stores to shop for jeans are. I know Fashion Nova, but I really want to try like a Levi's or maybe like a Lee jean or something like that. But here's the pile of clothes that I got rid of, guys. Like, this is really, really amazing. It's honestly, personally, like half of my closet. A lot of the stuff on the right that you're seeing, I did keep. I just had to hang it up. But that pile of clothes on the ground, I got rid of everything in that pile. So here, I'm just putting everything back in my closet. I want to get more of those storage bins that I have up top. I got those from Amazon, if you guys are wondering. I think it came in a pack of 5. And those are just perfect to hold different items of clothing, like things that you don't want to hang up. Like I don't hang up my jeans or my sweaters or my sweatshirts and stuff like that. So this is perfect. Those are perfect just to put things like that in that you want to keep up there but don't want to be seen and be kind of messy, if that makes sense. So here I'm just organizing everything, putting everything into kind of sections. Like I didn't color code or anything like that crazy because I know myself and I would not keep it that way. So there was no sense in me trying to color code. But I do like to kind of have an idea of where things are so I can grab them in the morning. So I kept my like cardigans and like over things that I just kind of like throw over camis closer to the left, and tops that I hang up, like nicer tops that I wear for like videos and stuff. I kept those in one section. I kept dresses and jumpsuits and bodysuits in one section. And then as you can see on the right, I have all of my like jackets and stuff that I have, my flannels, my bomber jackets, things like that. So I kind of have an idea of where everything is. And as you guys can see, even me going through a second time, I'm still getting rid of some stuff that I knew that I didn't need. And now with my clothes that I have, I know like different events that I can wear these to. Like I have a lot of friends getting married and baby showers and graduation parties and stuff like that. So I have like classic pieces that I know will be great for different events, which I also think is very important as well. So yeah. Okay guys, that is it. I really purged my closet. Anything that I don't wear that has just been sitting here, I just got rid of it. I really, like I said, want to revamp my closet, and I think that this is a great base for everything that I want. My shoes I've gone through because I actually had my closet redone recently, so all the shoes that I have are pretty much shoes that I want to keep, so that's why I didn't go through them here. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below before you leave, and I will talk to you guys in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.